Hi guys, this is your Beige JLU and welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to have a glow up or parang pa-fresh lang na makeup look. Quick lang. Actually, this trip is quick. Hindi ko alam na alis kami. This makeup bag I bought from a bazaar before. I bought it for 200 pesos and I sometimes use it as a bag. So ang first na gagamitin ko is this Wonder Beauty na Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So, ito yung primer ko. I got this from BoxyCharm. So, mabilisan lang tong makeup look na to. Just so, para medyo hindi naman tayo mukhang Hagardo Versosa. Huwag niyo nang pansinin yung hair ko kasi meron siyang sariling mundo, mga besh. And as in, mabilisan lang ang pagpapak ko ng mga makeup. So, I'm going to make use of what I have. This one is the Max Factor na Whipped Cream Foundation in the shade Crystal Beige 33. Actually, I feel like this foundation is underrated. Wala ko masyado naririnig na nagtatalk about this foundation. Pero maganda siya. And also, in this video, I am using this sponge. Actually, parang dupe siya ng Real Techniques. And ang ganda niya, as in, nagulat nga ako dun sa, kasi I'm expecting na, alam mo yon yung medyo matigas na sponge or what. Pero, I have the Real Technique na Miracle Sponge na authentic. And this one is very, very close to it. As in, pati yung feel, ganyan yung performance. I'll try to find it and link it down below if I can. I feel like baka sa Shopee ko to binili. And talagang hahanapin ko siya kasi gusto ko pa naman bumili ng mga ganito. Hindi ko sure kung this is recommended by Tony Sia. Meron kasi siyang na-recommend na sponge and binili ko yon. I think Says Lady ata yung sponge na yun. Pero hindi siya ganitong shape Teardrop shape yun So, anyway, I'll try to find this sponge and link it down below. And then, I'm using this Fashion 21 na Conceal. And the shade is neutral. This one, hindi siya very high coverage. Light lang siya. The reason why I'm using this is because yun nga, light lang yung coverage niya and medyo hydrating siya under the eyes. So, parang tamang-tama lang siya dun sa mga pa-fresh na look. Pero, if you want to conceal your eye bags, this is not the product for you. Kasi sobrang light niya. But the thing is, at least hindi siya dry under the eyes. So, yan. And I try to conceal a bit of the blemishes. Although, hindi siya pang blemish, pero just to lighten up lang ng very, very light yung mga acne marks natin or yung mga discoloration dun sa face natin. And of course, you have to blend. Yung foundation nga pala, maganda siya kung brush yung gagamitin. Medium coverage siya. Pag sponge kasi parang medyo nagiging light yung coverage niya. So, ayan. Wala kasi ako nadalang brushes. As in, mabilisan lang yung pack. Kaya, ito lang yung mga napack ko. And if you watch yung nag-declutter ako, at the same time, nag-shop my stash ako, ito yung mga products na nakuha ko dun sa shop my stash na pangalawa kasama nung decluttering ko. Kasi meron akong unang shop my stash. So, hindi ko pa nagamit ulit yun. Or nagamit ko na siya pero hindi ko pa na-film. So, this one is a Makeup Forever HD Blush. Blush Creme in the shade 320. Ito, sobrang gusto ko to and feeling ko mauubos ko na siya kasi nakapag-hit pan na ako dito sa cream blush na to. Usually, ginagamit ko rin siya under blush. So, kumbaga parang nagki-cream muna ako and then nagpa-powder blush topper ako. But in this video, wala akong nadalang mga brushes and other powder products. So, ito lang yung gagamitin ko para medyo pa-fresh lang. I don't think you will go overboard on this blush kasi maganda yung shade niya. So, hindi siya pack na pack. So, you have to build up yung kanyang shade, pero maganda naman siya. Actually, kumbaga parang pigmented pa rin siya. Yun nga lang, at least hindi ka mapapasobra, parang ganon. And then, I'm using this Trestique na lipstick. I got this from a BoxyCharm. Ginamit ko yung primer niya sa ilalim. Meron kasi siyang primer. And this is the Prime and Color Lip Glaze in the shade English Rose. Yan. So, ito, pa-fresh lang. Ginawa ko, nilagay ko sa inner lips, and then, sinwipe and pinat ko siya para magkaroon ng gradient effect, para medyo pa-fresh lang, ganyan. So, yan. Maganda rin to. Nakuha ko to sa BoxyCharm. I'll try to link my BoxyCharm videos. Or, palagay ko mabibili nyo naman siya individual. Yun nga lang, sa US ko siya binili. So, this one is Shiseido na Orange Tangerine. Nakuha ko to dun sa barter video, and I'm having a giveaway of this one doon sa video na to. So, please check that out. Lip gloss lang siya. Shiseido na lip gloss. Ang liit niya, pero ang mahal niya. Beige, kung makikita ko, kung mapapanood niyo yung binarter ko, kasi nilagay ko doon lahat. Kung magkano yung mga original price niya. And then, this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So, ito yung nadala ko na tawag dito na mascara. Wala rin kasi ako nadalang parang eyelash curler. So, it's good na ito yung nadala ko kasi meron naman siyang volumizing. So, ayan. Nakakalift siya nung eyelashes. And this is the Celeteque na Dermo Cosmetics CC Micro-Hydrating Powder in the shade Classic Natural. So this one, I love this powder, and not much is talking about this powder either. So parang feeling ko underrated din siya. Pero maganda siya, especially yung packaging niya, kasi parang ito-twist mo siya para mag-scrape ng powder. So, I'm not using the sponge kasi yung sponge na kasama nito medyo nadurog na, parang ganun. Yun lang yung hindi maganda sa kanya. Pero the product itself, maganda siya. Tapos, hindi rin siya super mattifying, hydrating. Hydrating siya. Of course, kung ano yung kiniklaim niya, micro-hydrating, which is talagang hydrating naman siya. Usually matte talaga yung mga trip ko, pero pag pa-fresh lang, mas gusto ko na medyo hydrating ng very very light. So ayan, i-try niyo tong product na to. Maraming magagandang product si Celeteque. And that's it mga besh, yun lang. Wala akong nadalang brow product dito sa video na to, and also since medyo makapal naman yung eyebrows ko, I don't think I'll need it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Keep safe. Bye!